Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm just feeling like doing something a little bit different, but in order to do something a little bit different, we have to kind of get out of our comfort zone a little bit. And thrifting, typically I go to the same kind of places like Value Village. I really like. You know, I live in a very small town. Let's do some thrift shopping in a small town. I live like right outside of what town is considered to be. Like, this is gonna take me still like 20 minutes to get to, but it's like the closest town, and see what we can find like close to me. So there's one that's a Salvation Army, and then there's two that are like, I think, family owned. That's kind of my plan for today, like thrifting in a small town, because I mean, typically I feel like we see a lot of like YouTubers go to more of like the major cities and thrift. Should I wear the hat today? This is no hat. No hat's no hat's kind of nice. I don't know. What do we think? No hat? Probably no hat. So I got my hair done recently, and I got it a lot blonder in the bottoms. So if you guys notice that my hair seems to be a bit lighter, it definitely is. Still having the dark little shadowy roots, but I keep zhuzhing my hair today. I don't know, it's like this weird habit. Anyways, okay, let's go. I'm just like blabbing today. This is out middle of nowhere, y'all. My dirt driveway and no neighbors.
We were born and raised on it.
Okay. I am not at all scared to vlog in public. What does bother me is vlogging in really quiet stores. Usually I try to be very, you know, conspicuous about vlogging, especially in places I don't really have permission to vlog in. But when they're quiet and like no one's in there, it's kind of like next to impossible. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm gonna try to vlog as comfortably as I can for you guys, but if not, I might just, I don't know, put voiceover. I don't know, we'll see. Any of y'all talk shit about my nails in the comments of this video, you're dead. I don't wanna take them off, because then they'll be like really sensitive, and I don't know if I'm gonna get new ones. So for now, y'all, I'm so sorry. Okay, so this first one on the street is like a Christian thrift store, so yeah. Let's see, this is what it looks like from the outside. See if we can find some good stuff. So down the block a little bit, there is another one. Looks just as like eclectic and stuff like that, so we're gonna give it a shot. The other one was cute, however, I still don't really find anything, so maybe this one we will have luck at. So obviously it's a bit harder to vlog in places like that. Like, probably I could ask for permission and just say, hey, like, listen, I have a YouTube channel and things like that. But then they might just like not take to that. And then I kind of screw myself out of filming altogether, you know what I mean? But I did pick this up, really big. It's like this wicker shelf. I'm thinking this could look really cool in my room or in my office, just to store some things in. So I don't know, we're gonna find a nice spot for it anyways. I just thought it was really cool, and these little doors open up. You know what, I had to rush that one because it's 4:24 and they closed at 4:30, and I had no clue. I thought for sure 5 o'clock. So I am the only person in here, so it's not gonna be the easiest to vlog, but we're starting in home. This little tray is kind of cute. Also, this would look really nice with like a plant in it. I thought this was really nice, and then I saw what the base looked like, and now I'm like, nah. a vanity mirror. I like things like this that are more interesting than, you know, the typical ones that you can buy at the store. So this is kind of cool. They have this thing, which I can only assume is like a massager, because there's like 2 handles on each side. So I'm thinking you would like hold each handle and then put that on your back. But it looks really cool. There's all this section, which is very my style. This is really cute. It has little flowers on it. You could hang it on the wall and put anything in it. This thing, I think it's like a cutting board, serving board. Very cool, kind of 70s-ish. I guess this is like a soap holder. I really like it, but I guess you could like put it to hold rings. This is really cool. Has this on the top, which is not so great, but it's really neat. Let's open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. It has like a little storage thing, store your jewelry in it. I'm sure you could always like re-fabric this and put something else on top. $6. You guys, another one. It's like this on the inside. Really cool. I've never seen anything like that before. I know you guys love when I do overviews, so here is your overview. I love when they do overviews too, because like I want to see what they have. What's this, like a wine rack maybe? They have quite a bit of stuff here. This is really cool, very intricate. Has a little bit of staining on it, but kind of cool. Another little overview. I saw these from afar. They look like soup dishes, and they're like a set. I honestly love this, and I think I want it for my bedroom. This is so me. How much? $2.99? Yep. Okay, I need this. I've been trying to decorate my room a little bit more, and it's very hard, I find, so this is perfect. This is so cute, and it's only $2.99, but I mean, I obviously have no use for this, but it's so cute. Anybody need some mason jars? Cool little tray basket, which I have no use for, but it's still cool. And then I saw up here they have this, which you could store like blankets or pillows in. I also don't have a use for that, but that is really cool as well. And everything is like super duper well priced. This guy is really awesome. There's this guy. Little, oh my gosh, little like tea set. I have another one, you guys. This one is like my color scheme. I don't think I should get it because I don't have a use for it, but I just thought I'd show you that they have 3 of them. So that is all home decor. Let's go check out what they have in clothing and shoes and all that stuff. See if they have anything good. I don't know if they will, but let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna start looking in the shoes. I don't really need any black shoes, so I'm gonna skip. It's summer. So let's head to these guys. I am looking for like a white pair of cowboy boots, but I don't think I'll find those here. Wow, they have a lot of this pair of shoe. They have a lot of those as well. This bag I just saw like on my way to clothes is pretty cool. Very old-fashioned, but anyways, I'm in dresses right now. So let's give a look here and see. This is a really cool little fabric. Is that the Kardashians? This aisle is so little. Will I even fit? Just barely. I'm not sure what I feel about this. Has like a bit of like a glitter pinstripe. Oh no, oh no. Okay, I found like the most amazing shirt. It's like a Bordeaux top in yellow. Okay, we need to try that on. I tend to always look through like the linen and stuff because you can always like repurpose fabrics and things like that if you don't want them for what they're made for. This is a toilet seat cover, I'm pretty sure. And I actually like really like that design on it. I have a couple things to try on. I'm really excited about those too. So let's do it. I really like the arms, and then the back is sort of like this. There's like this tie thing. Just noticed it has this really big rip in it. Could probably sew it. Don't know if it's worth it to do that. I also have this. I feel like I never wear color anymore, and I just kind of like that. So here's what this amazing shirt looks like. I just tied it up because I think that looks good. This is so cool. Oh my goodness, I really like this. So this is definitely coming home with me. It's so different from anything I own. So I'm gonna do my haul in this video because you guys told me that you really like seeing the hauls in the same videos. I would too, as a viewer. As an influencer, it is nice to do them separately because then it's 2 videos. However, I'm gonna do it for you guys. Okay. So I got this, and I'm going to be doing a video that is called How I Style Thrifted Home Decor Pieces. So you guys will see that in this video. You'll see where I'm going to put it, but this is just so me. Completely my color scheme. I really love this piece. I am really happy that I got it, and I only paid $3 for it. I didn't get that pink shirt because honestly, I don't, as much as I think that I look nice in pink, I don't think I'd wear it. I need to put some color into my wardrobe. I know I wear yellow, but I don't know. I really didn't think I was gonna reach for it. It wasn't that like, it didn't feel that nice. Anyways, I got this. The reason I got it was because it was only $2.99. I'm assuming because it has that rip in it. So I'm gonna try to fix it. And for $2.99, I just think you can't really go that wrong. And then I got that amazing yellow shirt as well, which was a little bit on the pricey side, which was $4.99. Actually, you know what, that's not pricey. That was absolutely what it should cost. I also got this, which I'm assuming is supposed to hold a bar of soap, but I think that this would look amazing with rings stored in it or something like that. And so yeah, that's why I got it. It was $1. Also got this, which matches something that I already own at home. If you guys have watched all my thrifts with me, you guys will know it's what I store my lips products in. And it's basically, I don't even know why I'm so hot. Maybe I just over highlighted. I don't know. It just looks so shiny, but anyways, it's what I put my lip products in, and it matches. So I was like, okay, I need to get the matching thing. So that's what I got. Here's my sum up of small town thrift shopping. It's really nice because the things are super thrift shop priced. So everything that I got today was $1, $2, or $3. I didn't spend more than that on any item, obviously, other than that $4.99 shirt, but that was like a piece of clothing. And so that's really nice. And so when you do small town thrifts, you get things for great prices. My one thing that is not so great, the selection. Primarily with clothing, they have a lot more home decor-y stuff, but primarily with clothing, I think a lot of it tends to be things that are so overworn that like maybe shouldn't be resold because they've just been worn to pieces. Just the clothing was not as amazing. That being said, I did get 2 pretty cool shirts, but just overall there was a lot of junk that I had to kind of sift through at all 3 places. But I definitely think it's worth a shot, and especially if you are an avid thrifter, go outside your city and go to those small town places, because even just smaller cities, like if you live in a city center, go to a smaller, like more suburban city, and you will have so much luck. I rarely ever thrift in Toronto. I've only thrifted in Toronto twice. I think we still did really great today, and I literally spent under 20 bucks today. So yeah, I mean, that just goes to show you that like small town thrifting is definitely worth it. I had a blast with you guys today. This was fun to do because like I said, I never do this. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.